Okay, here's our pepper plant update. And we just wanted to show you the progress that's happened since Kinley trimmed off the tops of them. And we did a video on that, which was about how to prune your pepper plants.
So you pull down lightly and then you cut off those. Got my scissors. Kid scissors.
So here, let me help you pull it down.
Okay.
And then you just snip off that top part. Careful.
Is that perfect?
Gotta be delicate. Yep, cut it. Good job. Perfect.
Take
Look at that.
about them is that last time we saw them there was only like 6 leaves and now there's like 1,200 just like spreading out and not up.
1,200.
Spreading out. And
Yeah, we cut them off when they had 6 leaves only.
so once there's 6 leaves,
Once we get 6 leaves on the pepper plants.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, did I miss one?
Count them
1,
again.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6, correct.
Okay.
And then that's what we were saying, if you cut them at the top, then they don't keep growing straight up and they do all these little branches of different, so even down there, they're all growing an extra one. So that'll be nice and thick. Ray was looking at these, we forgot to label the front ones. So we're trying to identify which one's which because we know this one is a jalapeno. And which one did you think, Ray?
The one to the far left.
Over here?
Far left.
The first one here?
Yeah.
Okay. Why do you think that? Because this is jalapeno.
Because the
Okay.
top leaves on there, they're kind of more tight like that. This one I don't think it is because those leaves are more smooth and they're really a lot lighter. I don't know if you can see on camera, but
Yeah, look how big this
That's
one,
a bell pepper.
all their leaves are just like they look like banana leaves.
Yeah, they're really broad leaves compared to the jalapeno. But see, again, they're just branching out in the middle instead of straight up like they were before.
I agree with Ray that this one's a jalapeno because like these ones look like really like shiny and these ones look shiny too.
They kind of, yeah, that's a good
And
call.
they both have like
Because these are a little more
little
matte.
dots.
They're not as shiny, are they? Little dots? What dots?
There's like dots here. There's like really white dots. You can't really see them. White dots,
I
and
think you
there's,
guys
like,
are right.
dots.
The other thing you can look at is the stem too.
So
Yeah, they have that purpley vein look on there. Versus, I guess most peppers have that same kind of look. And this one is a little different, right, Ray? How come?
that one it's really light green.
Yeah,
It's
see
not
the
as dark.
difference in the green on that one versus the one next to it?
I
Or sweet.
actually found something.
What's that?
I think this one's a bell pepper because look how big the leaves are.
They match, don't they?
Yeah, they both have really big leaves.
Yeah, that's a good point. Look at this one versus that one there.
So then what's the light green one? Sweet?
So the light one is sweet, yep.
That's what we thought.
And the back one is Spanish pepper. They're like really smaller ones. So they have tons of leaves. We just showed you 6 pepper plants and we have at least 12, right, Ray?
I think.
Anyways, these are 6 of the ones we're growing. We have several others going. We did a video on a 5-gallon bucket. We have some in there. But we're trying all kinds of ways.
Oh yeah.
Yep. So thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching.